back again with another video on the Adding Too Much Ingredients series. You guys loved it, I love it too, so here are some more crazy slime creations. First up, we have these charms. They come with random selections of pink charms. There's these cute little pink chocolate bars, candies, and hearts, and a bunch of other stuff. It actually looks like a really pretty slime. But we're not stopping here. Time to pour the whole lot in. Mixing them all into the slime was a little bit harder because of the crazy amount of charms in the slime, but eventually it came together and turned into a crunchy slime. It was really easy to mold into different shapes and was super fun to play with. Next up, we'll be drizzling blue clear slime into this huge bowl filled with big foam beads. It had this rainbow color theme, and compared to normal foam beads, these were so much bigger. It's so amazing to see how many foam beads slime can take in. It holds everything together pretty well and is also very easy to mold into shape. This slime made really satisfying crunching noises and was super fun to squish. What do you guys think? Do you like adding too much foam beads to slime? Next, we have these white and pink foam hearts. This ingredient actually looks like it could make a really aesthetic slime, but too bad we're adding too much of it in. Who knows, maybe it'll turn out super nice. Let's mix in this pink clear slime and find out. So guys, squishing this felt so satisfying, and it kind of looked like a bunch of marshmallows eaten up by the slime. But after a while of squishing, the air escaped from the hearts and it just became flat. Oh well, it was fun while it lasted. For this last one, we'll be layering these colorful glitters on top of clear slime. Then we'll top it off with a thick layer of gold glitter, like a ton of gold glitter. Guys, poking this was crazy satisfying and it looked so aesthetic. It looked like a thunderstorm of colorful glitter stuck from a huge golden cloud. I'm obsessed with this, guys, but anyways, after mixing it all in, it had this really weird stretchy texture. Just felt like no other slime before, but was still super fun to play with, and the glitter looked so good. The light was reflecting off it and made it so magical. guys, that was another adding too much ingredients to slime. It's so much fun making these, and I love that you guys love this series as much as I do. So stay tuned for more to come by subscribing and clicking the bell to make sure you don't miss them. Let us know down below what you want us to add too much of, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, love you! Mwah.